students, this is second part of chapter resources, and in this part I will continue the topic from utility. Resources used as energy. तो resources यानी कि संसाधन जिनका कि हम energy के रूप में यूज़ करते हैं. Resources used as raw materials and resources used as food articles also. Every resource is useful to us in one form or the other. Some are used as food, some as energy and some as raw material. For the first time, those resources were obtained by man and are used as food such as milk, milk products, vegetables, cereals, beverages, etc. Coal, iron, limestone are used as raw materials in the industries. Raw materials derived from minerals, vegetation and animals have also resulted in the industrial development. Rubber, tobacco, cotton, sugarcane, jute, etc. are agricultural raw minerals. Hide, furs, silk, wool are also obtained from animals. Energy is required in every sector of economy. Mining, agriculture, transport, communication, etc. all depend on energy in one or other form. Most of the energy resources are inexhaustible. Therefore, they should be consumed in a limited and controlled manner. Next is originality. First, natural resources. Second is man-made resources. Natural resources, as the name itself suggests, are the free gifts of nature which are used by man to fulfill his various needs. Rocks, minerals, animals, plants are natural resources that are used by man in the same condition or with certain changes. On the other hand, there are a number of examples of man-made articles such as almirah, car, aeroplane, bus, cooler, etc. They all fall in the category of man-made resources. Next topic is conservation of resources. Conservation of resources refers to the judicious use of these resources with minimum or no wastage at all. By using judiciously, we can secure the future of our next generation. For non-renewable resources, conservation is very much important, keeping in view the bright and secured future. The non-renewable resources must be protected and preserved, though a number of ways have been adopted by man for the conservation of resources. But it alone is not sufficient. Still, a lot is required to be done in this direction for securing better life to our future generation, especially when it comes to resource conservation. So students, this is very important to conserve our resources judiciously. So I will always tell you, conserve your resources and use natural things wisely. Okay, clear everybody? Try to do exercise work yourself. Thank you everyone.